If you've been looking for an AI tool that's supposedly better for the planet, you've probably come across EcoGPT. The big selling point here is sustainability. EcoGPT claims to reduce the environmental impact of AI usage by relying on greener infrastructure and more energy-efficient operations. Now, on paper, that's a great idea. AI models consume a lot of computing power, so any effort to cut emissions is definitely welcome. But the real question is whether EcoGPT actually delivers enough value to justify paying for it. From my experience, the platform works similarly to many other AI chat tools. The responses are decent, but I didn't notice any major advantages that clearly set it apart from competitors. The eco-friendly angle is interesting, but the company doesn't always provide enough transparent data to verify its environmental claims. So, is EcoGPT worth your money? If sustainability is a top priority for you, maybe. But if you're focused purely on performance and features, there are stronger alternatives available right now.